Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can get a terminated Roblox account back in 2025 legally. So Roblox takes account safety seriously. So the only way is through their official appeal process. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that right way. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for Roblox support page or Roblox support appeal. Over here, the first link would be of Roblox support. So you need to simply click on it. Once I've done that, you will be landed here on this page where you need to fill out this form. Here you need to provide your username, then you need to fill out your first name. Though these two options are optional, but I would recommend you to provide as many details as possible. So after providing these details, simply enter your email address with the help of which they could contact you. Then you need to confirm that email address. After that, you need to select the device in which you are basically facing this problem. So you must be try to log in to your Roblox account in your PC or Mac. So you can select it. Even if you are trying to get it in your mobile application, you can select that too. Over here, select the category. So you can select account hacked or can't log in. After that, you can also select the subcategory in which you can select other login issues. Here in this section, you can provide the description of your problem that you are facing, which in our case is account getting terminated by mistake. So over here you can type something like this, like I believe my account was terminated by mistake, so please review my case. So after entering this line or this description, simply press continue here. The Roblox moderation team will review it, and this usually takes a few days, so be patient. And sending multiple appeals won't speed the things up, so do not do that. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.